Sana ay marami kang matutunan ngayong araw.
I hope you will learn a lot today.
Handa ka na ba? Magsimula na tayo.
Are you ready? Let's start.
Bakit hindi ka maghintay sa sala?
Why don't you wait in the living room?
Nahihirapan akong makita kang ganyan.
It's hard for me to see you like that.
Tulungan mo akong kumbinsihin siya.
Help me convince him.
Bihira akong mag-almusal sa bahay.
I rarely have breakfast at home.
Mabilis siyang nawala.
He disappeared quickly.
Inom tayo pagbalik ko.
Let's drink when I get back.
Bingi ka ba?
Are you deaf?
Kurutin mo ako.
Pinch me.
Kausapin mo siya.
Talk to him.
Kung sakali.
In case.
Nandito na tayo.
Here we are.
Kunin mo.
Get it.
Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin.
I cannot say.
Sabi mo, gusto ko ito.
You said, I like this.
Gumana ba?
Did it work?
Maganda ba?
Is it beautiful?
Subukan mo.
You try.
Kanino yan?
Whose is that?
Hulaan mo.
Guess what?
Pag-iisipan ko.
I'll think about it.
Hindi mahalaga.
Unimportant.
Humihingi ako ng tawad.
I am asking for forgiveness.
Hinahangaan kita.
I admire you.
Maaari ba akong magtanong?
Can I ask a question?
May kailangan ka ba?
Do you need anything?
Mas gumaan ang pakiramdam ko.
I feel better.
Namangha ako.
I was amazed.
Mukhang maganda.
Looks nice.
Masaya ako tungkol dito.
I'm happy about it.
Itago mo yan.
Hide that.
Marami akong natutunan ngayong araw.
I learned a lot today.
May naghihintay ba sa'yo?
Is someone waiting for you?
Bantayan mo ito.
Keep an eye on it.
Nandito kami buong araw.
We are here all day.
Paumanhin.
Sorry.
Nakita mo ba?
Did you see?
Anong binili mo?
What did you buy?
Hindi ito magtatagal.
It won't last long.
Akala ko galit ka sa akin.
I thought you were mad at me.
May nakalimutan ka pa ba?
Have you forgotten anything?
Huwag mo akong lokohin.
Don't fool me.
Pag-isipan mong mabuti.
Think carefully.
Masaya ka ba sa kanya?
Are you happy with him?
Dapat magdala ka na lang ng pagkain.
You should bring food.
Mahinahon ka.
Calm down.
Huwag kang maingay.
Do not be noisy.
Ano ang naaalala mo?
What do you remember?
Hindi ko pa alam.
I do not know.
Huwag kang magmadali.
Don't rush.
Yan ang ginagawa niya buong araw.
That's what he does all day.
Ayokong magalit siya.
I don't want him to be angry.
Nakita mo ba ang bago niyang sasakyan?
Did you see his new car?
Hinahanap ko ito buong araw.
I've been looking for it all day.
Magkikita sana kami ngayon.
I wish we could meet now.
Sigurado ka bang kaya mo?
Are you sure you can?
May imumungkahi sana ako.
I would like to suggest something.
Maraming tao ang gumagawa niyan sa panahon ngayon.
Many people do that nowadays.
Ipapaliwanag ko sa iyo mamaya.
I will explain to you later.
Naiisip mo ba ang naiisip ko?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
May isa pa akong idadagdag.
I have one more thing to add.
Wala akong aaminin.
I will admit nothing.
Mapapag-alitan ka kapag hindi ka nakikinig.
You will be scolded if you do not listen.
Naiinggit ako sa'yo.
I envy you.
Ano pa?
What else?
Hindi ngayon.
Not now.
Ituloy mo yan.
Keep it up.
Ako na ang bahala.
I'll take care of it.
Bakit ganyan ang itsura mo?
Why do you look like that?
May problema ka ba?
Do you have a problem?
Sino ang gumawa niyan?
Who did that?
Kumusta siya?
How is he?
Heto na naman tayo.
Here we go again.
Matulog na tayo.
Let's sleep.
Gigising ka ng maaga bukas.
You will wake up early tomorrow.
Nakatulog ka ba ng mabuti?
Did you sleep well?
Nanaginip ako kagabi.
I had a dream last night.
Ayos ka lang ba?
Are you okay?
Kain na tayo.
Let's eat.
Masarap ba ang pagkain ko?
Is my food good?
Mahilig ako sa matamis.
I love sweets.
May pera ka pa ba?
Do you still have money?
Ano ang binibili mo?
What are you buying?
Aalis tayo mamaya. Sasama ka.
We're leaving later. Are you coming?
Buti na lang nag-aalala ka pa rin sa amin.
Good thing you're still worried about us.
Magtiis ka muna.
Be patient first.
Huwag mo silang pansinin.
Do not mind them.
Saan ka galing?
Where have you been?
Sana makatulong ito sa iyo.
Hope this helps you.
Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa.
Do not lose hope.
Magtiwala ka lang na darating din yan para sa'yo.
Just trust that it will come for you too.
Inayos ko na.
I fixed it.
Halata naman.
It's obvious.
Nahanap ko na.
I found it.
Ayoko na sa kanya.
I don't like him anymore.
Takot ako dyan.
I'm afraid of that.
Kumusta ka na?
How are you?
Gusto kong mapag-isa.
I want to be alone.
Dapat humingi ka ng tawad sa kanya.
You should apologize to him.
Nakagat ako ng lamok.
I was bitten by a mosquito.
Pag-usapan natin yan mamaya.
Let's talk about that later.
Ayaw kong pumasok.
I don't want to go in.
Mahal ang presyo ngayon.
The price is expensive now.
May pera ka pa ba?
Do you still have money?
Ano ang hinahanap mo?
What are you looking for?
Sumakay ka na.
Get on board.
Baka maiwan ka.
You might be left behind.
Huwag tumawa.
Don't laugh.
Sino ang kausap mo?
Who are you talking to?
Huwag kang maingay.
Do not be noisy.
Huwag maging bastos.
Do not be rude.
Sandali lang, may kukunin ako.
Just a moment, I'll get something.
Nasaan ang wallet ko?
Where is my wallet?
Maghintay lang.
Just wait.
May darating na bagyo sa susunod na linggo.
There is a storm coming next week.
Magpahinga ka muna.
Rest first.
Masakit ang ulo ko.
I have a headache.
Bakit ang sakit niyang magsalita?
Why is it painful for him to speak?
Nilalagnat ako ngayon.
I have a fever now.
Kaninong panyo ito?
Whose handkerchief is this?
Maliban kung.
Except if.
Samantala.
Meanwhile.
Sana bangungot na lang.
I hope it's just a nightmare.
Ang lakas ng hangin sa labas ng bahay.
The wind force outside the house.
Buti na lang masaya sila.
It's good that they are happy.
Mabait siya sa akin.
He is kind to me.
Ako na ang bahala.
I'll take care of it.
Naguguluhan na ako sa mga nangyayari.
I'm confused by what's happening.
Ano ang kailangan mo sa akin?
What do you need from me?
Mahalaga ka sa akin.
You're important to me.
Alam kong nahihirapan ka.
I know you are having a hard time.
Ibenta mo muna yan.
Sell that first.
Wala akong maisip.
I cannot think of anything.
Manahimik ka na lang.
Just shut up.
Huwag kang maingay, may natutulog.
Don't be noisy, someone is sleeping.
Alam kong nagkamali ako.
I know I made a mistake.
Bumalik ako para sa'yo.
I came back for you.
Tumingin ka sa mata ko.
Look me in the eye.
Bakit ito nangyayari sa atin?
Why is this happening to us?
May nakalimutan ka ba?
Have you forgotten something?
May tiwala ako sa kanya.
I have confidence in him.
Maglinis ka na.
Clean up now.
Bakit mo ginagawa yun?
Why are you doing that?
Halata ba?
Is it obvious?
Anong meron?
What's up?
Akala ko totoo.
I thought it was real.
Nasaan ka?
Where are you?
Wala akong magawa.
I can't do anything.
Hindi ako makatulog kagabi.
I cannot sleep last night.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
I do not know why.
Pwede bang magtanong?
Can I ask?
Nagustuhan mo ba?
Did you like it?
Salamat at pinaalam mo sa akin.
Thank you for letting me know.
Ano bang ginawa mo?
What did you do?
May gusto akong sabihin sa iyo.
I want to tell you something.
Ano ang gusto mong mangyari?
What do you want to happen?
Patawarin mo ako kung nasaktan kita.
Forgive me if I hurt you.
Tingnan natin kung gaano ito tatagal.
Let's see how long it lasts.
Hindi pa ako handa.
I'm not yet ready.
Ang sama ng ugali mo.
Your behavior is bad.
May kasama ka ba ngayon?
Are you with someone today?
Saan tayo pupunta?
Where will we go?
Pwede ko bang hiramin ang sapatos mo?
Can I borrow your shoes?
Huwag ka namang ganyan.
Don't be like that.
May sahod ka ba?
Do you have a salary?
Tingnan natin kung gaano ito katagal.
Let's see how long it lasts.
Pahiram naman.
Let me borrow.
Gusto mo ba ng tsaa?
Do you want tea?
Anong oras na?
What time is it?
Saan ka nang galing?
Where did you come from?
May maitutulong ba ako sa iyo?
Can I help you with anything?
Ano ang iyong trabaho?
What is your job?
Gusto mo bang makasama ako ng hapunan?
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Ilang bansa na ang napuntahan mo?
How many countries have you been to?
Gaano ka katagal mananatili?
How long will you stay?
Kamusta ang araw mo?
How is your day?
Kailangan mo ba ng tulong?
Do you need help?
Nagugutom ako.
I'm hungry.
May sakit ka ba?
Are you sick?
Nandito lang kami.
We're just here.
Napakarami naman nila.
There are so many of them.
Matagal pa bang matapos yan?
Will it take a long time to finish?
Hulaan mo.
Guess what?
Masama ang pakiramdam ko ngayon.
I feel bad now.
Saan sila nagpunta?
Where did they go?
Nagsasanay ka ba araw-araw?
Do you practice every day?
Nanunood ako ngayon.
I'm watching now.
Wala na akong magagawa.
I can't do anything anymore.
Huwag kalimutan.
Do not forget.
Bayaran mo ang iyong utang.
Pay your debt.
May sasabihin ka pa ba?
Do you have anything more to say?
Napakatigas ng ulo mo, hindi ka marunong makinig.
You are so stubborn, you don't know how to listen.
Huwag mong galawin yan.
Don't move that.
Umulan o umaraw.
Rain or shine.
Magtulungan tayo.
Let's help each other.
Pag-iisipan ko muna.
I will think about it.
Puntahan mo ako dito.
Come to me here.
Sino ang nagmamay-ari nito?
Who owns it?
Pagpasensyahan mo na lang.
Just be patient.
Huwag mo akong subukan.
Do not test me.
Huwag kang magalit.
Do not be mad.